Hello everyone, I'm gonna change the clutch master cylinder or clutch paddle for the Skoda Superb 2017, 18 or 19, whatever. So you have to access for the 3 bolt into the clutch bracket. So you need the long extension number 13, 2 on top and 1 on the bottom side. So you're going access from here with that long tool. So then you can remove the screw on the top, but not easy access, and disconnect the pipe from inside the engine, and then feed pipe and pressure pipe, both of them you need to disconnect it. When you remove all the 3 bolts, the clutch paddle gonna come out completely all together. Then after that you can do whatever you want on the clutch paddle replacing. So I'm just taking out the cylinder now. I'll really remove all the screw and then the complete paddle, pull it out. So this is the paddle housing. But what tool you need this 13 mil with the long extension, this kind 13 mil with the extension and flexi head. You need a 10 mil, you need a stick magnet, you need that one to remove the clip, bottom clip, small ratchet, a long screwdriver for unclip the airbag, because airbag and there around there. I'll remove the airbag is here, and that's all you need to do. But then on the side of the engine you need to remove the oil feed pipe and then clutch pipe down there. There's the location. This is the feed pipe here for the oil feed pipe is there, and then the other pipe is down there, you can see. Thank you. And then the paddle this is the spring for the paddle, and this paddle problem is inside here. You can see the cylinder, there's white clip is damaged inside, so I need to take it out the cylinder and remove the clip. And for opening this you need to open that to turn it and then unclip it. So now reassembly the clutch paddle housing, because I removed everything. This is master cylinder. We open it because this is worn out, this white circle clip like ball bearing. This is the old one, is already worn, one side completely gone, so new one inside. You can see it's perfectly fine. Then the spring is going back to on top. The position is that way, so the clutch paddle is going to up here first, then bring it down, go in like that, and then when you push it in like this, it's going to through for the clutch master cylinder. But you need to put the pin first, then after put the master cylinder pin through from here. You can see that's all you need to do. That's the place for the master cylinder pin, and that's the other place. So then all job done. Thank you.